Have you ever noticed that Spanish speakers often avoid using the imperative mood in casual conversations? For example, imagine that you are a family gathering. To signal that it's time for dinner, someone may say, a comer instead of coman. Why is that? Well, the reason is more rooted in culture than it is in language. Stay tuned, because this lesson is going to help you think more like a Hispanic. Hola amigos, I'm Daniel, your friendly neighborhood ambassador from Spanish 55. The imperative mood is used in Spanish just like in many other languages to give commands, to provide instructions, or to make requests. So why do I avoid it sometimes? Well, in many Spanish-speaking countries, there's a high emphasis in community, respect, and keeping harmony in social situations. So, using the imperative mood, even though grammatically correct, can sometimes sound too harsh. Therefore, it sounds more natural to use a structure like a comer, a bailar, a trabajar. It's kind of like saying, all right, let's do this, or let's go, instead of pointing your finger and telling someone what to do. This way, it feels less like a command and more like a group effort or a casual invitation. So how do we do this? It's quite simple. Just place the preposition a before the verb you intend to use in its infinitive form. That easy. Oh, by the way, prepositions are quite useful. They're like the glue that keeps your words together when you're building sentences. We have a nice video in our channel on prepositions. You can find it in the description box below. Now, does everybody avoid using the imperative mood? Not really. It depends on their region, their age, or sometimes even personal preferences. It's more likely that people will use the imperative mood in something like informal situations. But in casual, everyday conversations, they will prefer use the on preposition followed by the verb in its infinitive form. Think of it this way. When you use the a preposition instead of giving a command, you are building a sense of unity. It's a subtle signal of respect to the group dynamic because let's face it, nobody likes to be bossed around, right? Are you wondering what else can you do to sound more natural and feel more comfortable when using your Spanish? Then you should check out our website, Spanish55.com. Our coaches specialize in helping learners like you develop not only their language skills, but also understanding the culture behind it. You can book today your first consultation completely free in the link below. Learning Spanish has changed the life of many people. Would you like to meet some of them? Then check out our podcast, Conquering Spanish, Interview with Learners. Is packed with amazing real-life stories and tips that will help you stay motivated. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for joining us and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hasta la